Good morning, everyone. Luckside here. Welcome back to the channel. There's only one way to describe really what's going on in the crypto market right now, and it is yikes. So I want to talk about what's actually taking place, this kind of culmination of negative events that we're seeing that is affecting ADA price, and what we may expect to see as the week goes on. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. And let's just go ahead and dive right into it. Right now, what we're looking at in terms of ADA is this continued sell-off. All right. Now, pump the brakes, just be patient here. What we are seeing is a drop below this 32-cent level. In fact, ADA had a drop all the way into the mid 30-cent level yesterday. It was kind of, or late last night, was kind of surprised to see that. And actually this morning we were over 32 cents again. We're kind of going through this chop. There's big opportunity in the market. And what's happened now is we've gotten a little more sell-off as BTC has continued to drop. And the problem is, guys, is that BTC is the boat anchor. BTC right now is dragging everything down, and ADA, again, has very high correlation with the market. So as BTC drops, ADA is dropping along with it. We actually just late last night saw the lowest BTC price we have seen since August 8th. All right. ADA dealing with the same thing. Lowest ADA price we have seen since August 5th. Okay. Now, what is actually taking place is that we dove under 56K as Asian equities saw red. And basically what we're seeing is kind of the lasting impact of yesterday's manufacturing data. Okay. It takes a little time for some of these markets, especially overseas, to digest this data. And unfortunately, that's what we saw. But where we're really seeing not a lot of help is actually institutional money. For example, guys, yesterday we saw $287 million of outflow. I don't know the last time I saw numbers that looked like this. And you're talking about some of the biggest players here unloading bags. Fidelity, $162 million. Fidelity has become a dump machine. They have just dumped and dumped and dumped. And Grayscale, big day, of course. ARK Investments dumping 33 million. So it wasn't a really good day for crypto in general. This is the largest dump we have seen in, I believe, months, guys. So I want people to really understand that what's going on with ADA right now isn't a product of ADA. That's the biggest thing I want to hit home on, right? It's very easy to say and look at it right now and be like, oh my gosh, ADA's doing so bad. It's performing so poorly and blah, 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 right? But then you look at BTC and it's doing the same thing, okay? So it's important to have context of where we're at. Now, what I will say is this, is ADA on the ADA BTC pairing is doing this exact bounce, right? We are actually now showing a little bit of strength versus BTC. BTC dropped overnight at a faster rate than what ADA was. ADA bounced back at a faster rate. And so hopefully this is kind of that reversal where everybody sees what BTC is doing to the overall crypto market and they start shifting to alts. There always comes a point, guys. There always comes a point where there is this shift to alts. And on some of these BTC drops, we have in fact seen this taking place. Right now, ADA is trying to set this basically triple, quadruple, sextuple bottom, okay? Because there have been so many wicks down to this 5,600 or 5,500 sat level that it's getting ready to bounce, all right? Now, this isn't a guarantee or financial advice or anything like that. We're still stuck moving along with the broader crypto market. And really, the big thing we need to pay attention to is, right now it's Wednesday. Friday, we have a jobs report. The question is this jobs report now baked into this data? Are people expecting poor performance because of this manufacturing data that we got earlier this week? And the answer is we're probably going to get a cool jobs report, right? It's probably not going to be as cool as it was a month ago where it freaked everybody out. But people right now have such bad expectations when it comes to this jobs report. It's probably already priced in to some extent, okay? What that means is if it's a more even keel jobs report as a broader crypto market, we may see some pumping. We may see a little bit of ground made back up. Now, obviously, there's 48 hours in between now and the jobs report on Friday. So the market could be very volatile. We might see some wild swings in many different directions. That's what everybody just needs to be prepared for right now. And unfortunately, it sucks. It is what it is. We're kind of dealing with the last of this crap before we get to that start of October. Like I've said many times now, that start of October should be the moment, right? Sometime between basically October 1st and October 15th, historically speaking, during the year of the halving, that's when we should take off. We'll see if that's going to be the case this time, or if we're going to get kind of stuck waiting just a little bit longer. But I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts on this. Let me know in the comments down below. I appreciate you guys. It sucks. It's a rough day, but it is a day of opportunity nonetheless. Have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.